Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're gonna change our IP address. So we simply go to the terminal. We're gonna check what is our IP address right now. Proxy change cur again has ip.com, and then as you can see, okay, this is our IP address right now that we are using. If you wanna check your IP address on the Google, also can. It doesn't matter. So google.com. What is my IP? Okay, so this is your IP, my public IP right now. So I'm gonna take my new identity. We just simply go to the new terminal. I'm gonna check whether the Tor browser is running or not. TPLN. All right, it's running well. So this is our Tor browser. I'm gonna open it. Get new identity. There we go. We should minimize, and then we're gonna set. Okay, I'm gonna open another terminal. Right, new window. We're gonna set every proxy to the default using Python 3. Python 3. Okay, we're gonna import socks and socks dot set default. Oh shit, default proxy. It's supposed to be socks dot capital socks 5, and then your IP. So your IP is gonna be here. You can choose each one of these. We have two here, so I'm going to pick this one. So this is my Tor IP address. I'm going to put it now, 127.0.0.1. And then your port's going to be 9150. 9150 is your Tor browser ports. Okay, now set it. Now you're going to set the socket into the default by socket. It's funny, you know. Socket. Okay. Now we're gonna request our IP address from the sites. Request, import request. R is stand for print out. Just like in C++ programming, we use R in Python. R equal to request, because we want to request our new IP address. Get. Okay, here's the link of the sites. I can has ip.com, close the bracket. Okay, what? HTTP error request. Oh, okay, I missed the S actually. It's supposed to be request. You see, it's very sensitive. Okay, there we go. So now we're gonna print out our content. So this is our new IP address. Remember this 195. As you can see here, our recent IP address is 14.1.225. So this IP address right here is gonna be changed this one. So how we do it? All right. So I'm just gonna close the Google. Okay. So here we go. We're gonna proxy change to double check it whether it's changed or not. HTTP ip.com. Okay, there we go. This is gonna be our new IP address. This is gonna be it. Okay, so now we're gonna open up Google. Proxy change. Firefox, Google is the same things. All right. So I open up Google, and I'm just gonna type what is my IP is. I'm sorry, my internet connection is very slow right now. So I'm gonna type what is my IP. It's gonna be different. Trust me, guys. It's gonna be different. You see? Now my public IP is 195, the same that we said before here. You see? Now it's changed. It's changed to this. I can do this multiple times. I can do random IP. I want to, it's based on what I want to do. If I want my IP address to be in London, to be in India, I can just, okay, I'm going to refresh it to make sure this is not fake. I'm completely changed my IP address right now. All right. So this is a serious business. Okay, so guys, I obtained my new IP address. See you guys in my next video.